Shortly after I joined FESPA as Technical Support Manager, I volunteered to take on the project of improving the atrium in the building. For me, the thing that was a real priority was to ensure that we had inspiration for our team here, and that when visitors were coming to see us, that they would walk into a space that would be very welcoming, interesting and engaging. That led me to begin a conversation with a previous FESPA two-time gold winner, H&S Signs. And one thing I knew from Michelle is she had really good, strong sense of creativity. And then we started looking at the fabric component. I knew that Bannerbox was very passionate about digital printing, fabric and fabrication, and I knew that they would be the people to work with. What we have achieved is we've achieved a great cross-section of creative output that I think reflects the community that FESPA supports. And I think that when our visitors come from, whether they be our board members, whether they be our exhibitor partners or other printers from within the community, they'll see points of reference that will resonate for them. Well, that's the aim.